Hi everyone! Did you lose or damage your Matric certificate? Luckily, getting a new replacement for it just got easier. I'm Lerato and I'll be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to replace your Matric certificate online. Careers Portal is your one-stop shop when it comes to finding learnerships, internships and bursaries, as well as any information you may need about studying and your future career. Losing or damaging your Matric certificate can be very stressful because it is a very important document. You need it when you're applying to study and also looking for a job, so having it ready is good. However, we're not going to act like accidents don't happen. So if you damaged or lost your certificate, you can replace it online. Here's how. The first step is to register an account on the Umalusi website. Your account will be used to track and manage your Matric certificate replacement request. Then you'll need to create a request and submit the documents they need. On the Umalusi website, once you've logged in, you will need to select the qualification you are applying for replacement. You will also need to submit an affidavit from a police station stating the status of the original certificate, that is, if it was lost, stolen, or damaged, and how it happened. You will also have to upload a certified copy of your ID. Then, choose a delivery method for your certificate. You can choose to collect it from the Umalusi Pretoria office or to receive the certificate using a courier service. To replace your certificate, you will need to pay 137 Rand if you're collecting it and 202 Rand if you're using a courier to deliver it to you. You can access the system and apply for a replacement certificate from anywhere using a cell phone or personal computer. After you apply, it can take as long as 6 weeks for the request to be processed, so patience is a very important thing. Comment down below any questions you have, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.